So currently I am in front of my best friend's house and we are going to Puerto Rico. Like, yeah, that was her sister in the background. So I was just giving you guys an update and what I'm planning to do. So I am going to be vlogging from beginning to end. And yeah, now I have to take my bags up these stairs. Like, why is anyone not here to help me? Like, first of all, these girls should be ready because they was like, oh, we're leaving at 12. Given I am late, it is 12:20. I am the first one still ready though. So our flight is at 2 o'clock. So nobody can say I made us late. Anyways, and I'm doing a better job at vlogging. I'm proud of me. Oh wait, I'll fix it because my hands are going up. No, I'm not. I'm gonna edit that out. Thank you. 109.
That's enough time.
Ooh, TSA gotta be on our side. Jesus.
You could just tell them.
Yeah, you can. They'll let
you go through.
They'll let you skip. Okay, I'll give you that, guys. The update on us running through the airport because we is not missing that flight. Okay.
Chips tea.
Okay, yeah. So it's really 12:45 and our flight is in an hour. And we just left for the airport. This is the latest I've ever been to for a flight, which is so crazy, even though I'm so late. Even though I'm a late person, I've never been this late for a flight. The latest I get there is literally an hour and 30. This will be up. So we are now arriving to the airport. It is 1:14. We have 25 minutes to get to our gate. And we're not with the... What the... Listen. I feel like it's taking so long. Okay, let's go. Alright. Okay, slow. Slow and steady. Oh, this line crazy. Oh, wait, you gotta like be calm. Just wait, right here. Oh, wait, shit. This line is crazy. So we have 20 minutes and the line is actually moving. It's not like they wanted to take us off the line anyways. So.
1:34.
1:34. The gate is closing in 6 minutes. And I got my bag. Oh. A mess. We need it. Okay, sit there.
That was an adventure.
Okay. Literally, it's like crazy. We're like the last people coming on this plane right now.
We really are.
Save the best for last. You know, it wouldn't be so bad.
Chaleco y póngaselo. Envuelva la correa alrededor de su cintura, sujete de la hebilla y al llama la correa hasta que quede ajustado. Al salir del avión, infle el chaleco a la... Ladies and gentlemen, JetBlue would like to be the first one to welcome you to San Juan, Puerto Rico. The local time is 5:23 p.m. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened and carry items put away into the cabin tonight.
Narrative. Okay, we landed and we have to wait for our carry-ons, and I am very annoyed because, of course, we got to the gate late, so there was no overhead space. So now we have to wait, and this is like what we tried to avoid, but now we're just getting stuck. And you know they be taking forever. They be taking a little slow time to unload the baggage. So we'll be waiting for a minute.
But we are excited to be here.
Yes, we're excited to get our day started. Yeah. Are we Ubering? Oh, we need to look up the Uber price.
They said no Uber in the airport.
Oh yeah, we have to go further out.
Are we gonna walk and then take a Uber?
No, but there must be.
Okay,
I guess we can just ask for a taxi. We'll do that.
¿Va a bañarte en la playa?
No, I forgot.
Not today.
to the 10th floor. Okay, we have arrived to our Airbnb. We're like on, like by the beach. Sorry.
Why so small?
Okay.
Oh, no.
Okay, so the code is gonna be 607. Oh shoot. This is the view. I do love all the mirrors. Like everywhere you go, you could be like, I'm cute. I'm cute. My outfit, and I love
I want to put you
it.
right here, guys.
Yes, we know, Anna.
Look at the sunset. We got a beautiful view. You see,
Okay,
mommy?
so my outfit is from Amazon. I am an Amazon junkie. And
There's
sneakers
your
are from
over.
H&M.
This is the bedroom.
If you are interested in this outfit, you can tell me
Yeah, one bed.
in the description box down below, and I'll put it up if anyone's interested. I don't know if you are, but yeah, that's all. What are we doing? Oh, we're going back up to the room. Anna's going to sleep because she yawning. But we're going to find a hookah lounge and start our real night. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the drinks don't have been that nice. They were that good, but one sip of wine. Hi, ladies.
Oh, I think I'm ready for my close-up. There we go. I think I'm ready for my close-up. Where should I put time for an intervention? Hey guys, we are trying to find quotes.
It's so yeah, finding quotes is so hard. But anyways, we're here at lunch at Miss Rooftop Bar and Kitchen. It's really close to our Airbnb. It's beautiful. So we got our food.
Thank
Oui,
you.
capsule mayonnaise.
Thank you.
Comme il y a goût à vedette.
So this is our Airbnb in the daytime because you wasn't able to really see. And I'll show you. This is the bedroom. And I love this fake balcony thing they have going on here, because you can literally feel like you're on a balcony but in your bedroom. And inside here has some, so it feels like I'm on a balcony but in my room, in the apartment but on the balcony, in the apartment but on the balcony. Today is our pool day. Pool day. Say Sunday fun day.
Sunday, Sunday.
So we're gonna teach them how to swim because I'm a Michael Phelps. So hey guys, so we are on our way back to New York, and this is part 2 of how to miss a flight, or how to run for flights, because we are here and our driver said we are late. So it's 12 o'clock, boarding starts at 12:25, and we're at a little local spot getting some food before the flight, and we're late. No, this is worse than the first time. Finishing up the food, and I'm gonna say we're gonna get to the airport in like, we're gonna get to the airport in 15 minutes. So, no, I think we really played ourselves. I'm really scared of this one actually. The first one was bad, but
This one is bad.
this one, we went from bad to worse.
Through TS, like the security. You have to go through immigration?
No,
it's just security.
Security.
Security, we could skip. Our flight is at, like, when we just.
That's what I was saying. We should have probably ate at the airport.
I didn't mind that though.
I know, but we
I'm
was
like, I
already here,
so I'm
right?
Like, we just ordered something.
Yeah, well, we should have probably asked a better question. Yeah, past 12. Boarding starts in 10 minutes.
If we could get out of here and then get there in 10 minutes, and then we could just run. So you're not back there helping.
No, I am. My heart is. Okay, so we are getting our food, and it's 12 o'clock, well, past 12 o'clock, and we're boarding in 20 minutes, 10 minutes away from the airport. God would have to be with us right now. Honestly. Oh gosh, I have to go in and take the hook.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock maybe. That's it. That's possible. That's possible. Ay, Dios mío. Oh my God.
Okay, so we made it. End of story. Oh man. So we actually made it faster than we made it. And then I got stopped.
I'm going home.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to welcome you to JFK, where the local time is 4:28 p.m.